Hello everybody, this is Joe. I'm working on a project that come out of our bedroom. It's the bedroom that I was kind of redecorating. This is the door out of it. I came out early and put some glue in some cracks, and I've got it clamped up. And then I puttied some holes. I'm trying to patch it up instead of buying a new door for now, I guess. So I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see. So hang on. By the way, my garage is very dirty and messy right now. I need to get out here and clean it. Okay. This is the bottom of the door. It had I don't know if an animal, a cat or a dog, was scratching on it or something was wearing on it all the time, but I was going to try and route it out, but I was afraid I wouldn't get it even. Route it out and then put a piece of wood in it, glue a piece of wood in there, but I was afraid I wouldn't get it even, so I'm going to try puttying it. I've got some pieces on the edge that I nailed on. It's 1/8 inch Formica. I got it when I used to work at that one factory that made counters. And I'm hoping if I put the shiny or the smooth side towards the putty side, so that hopefully it'll come off and not rip it out, tear out all my putty. This may not have been the right putty to use. It's a water-based interior putty, but I used it on this corner, and then I put my 1/8 inch Formica. Oh, that was a dumb move. I turned it. I got it backwards. Well, we'll see what happens. I did it on this one too. But anyway, I goofed up there, so it may rip it out when I pull it off. But I was filling in a crack here. I had to cut the bottom of the door off to make it somewhat even. I don't know. Somebody was taking a circular saw and just kept chopping off pieces, I guess. I don't know. It was really uneven. So I was trying to get it a little more squared off. But right now I'm kind of waiting for my putty to dry. And the clamp is along here. See if I can get a little closer for you. Along the crack here, I put some glue in there on both sides. Find it here. There it is. I put some glue in there and I clamped it the same way with up here where the door handle is. I gotta get over here. Okay. Right in this area here, I glued that, and same way with the other side, and I clamped it, waiting for my glue to dry. It's probably been on for maybe an hour. But it's a 32 inch wide door, and none of our doors match. So we got a 5-panel door and we got a 4-panel door, and I thought I'd try this one. See if I can fix it up enough to put it back on and give it a paint job. I'll sand this down a little bit, or quite a bit anyway, and make it work for now anyway. And I did get a bicycle from my brother. I'm going to see if I can't. There. See if I can't get it. Somebody gave it to him, so he didn't want it. So I told him, well, I'll take it. But it's a 3-speed, I believe. But the front brake will work. The cable works on it, but the back one don't. So it's bad cable or something. Or maybe needs some graphite or something in it. But yeah, this is still soft. I can put my finger in there. This stuff don't dry as quick as my acetone base putty does. But I didn't expect to get it done today anyway, so I'm gonna let it dry. But and I haven't figured out what that thing is yet. It looks like some kind of a lawn chair of some type, or some kind of a thing, but I wanted it mainly for the metal. But this people had this blue box here. It's got a handle on each side and it's got a latch down here. They had a sign on it saying everything was free, so I thought, well, I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. Yeah, there. But it's got handles on the side, but it's a nice little box. If I can get the right spot there. Just made out of 3/4 plywood, but I thought I'm gonna go ahead and take it home. Maybe I'll put tools in it or something. And it's got a chain on it to hold the door open. So just trying to buy the hardware for this is getting expensive. But they had a sign there saying it's free. They had a lawnmower there. I tried starting it, but didn't want to do nothing, so I left it there. But this thing here, I haven't figured out what it is yet. But like I say, I mainly wanted it for the metal. But I do need to clean my garage. It's getting very dirty. But I did find some stuff. This is the top of the door. I don't know who put it in there, but this spot here, there was a peephole in there, like when you go to a motel or something, or a hotel, that's got a peephole that you can look outside. Somebody put one on there. I don't know what for, but I took it out and I got putty in there. But the other thing I was going to show you was, I'll be back in just a second. Okay, I'm back. I wanted to show you this weather strip here that we've got on our door. I don't know if you can see it very well or not. Yeah, there you go. We've been here 13 years. I never changed it, but it's got cracks in it and stuff. I want to, you put it on the top and on the two sides, but I want to put some new stuff on because it's getting old and kind of hard. But I found some yesterday. It's even white. I don't have to paint it, but I found it at our plumber. He had some. I'll put some new stuff on sometime. So I'm going to do that. I don't know what else to tell you. The wind's coming out of the northwest and blowing leaves back around. The street sweeper did come around and do the streets, but there's still leaves falling, so there's not a done job yet. That's about all I can talk to you about. I don't know what else to tell you. So we'll catch you later. Folks, have a good day, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.